Did you know you can make restaurant-style garlic butter steak bites with just 3 ingredients in under 10 minutes? Hey everyone, we're cooking up the easiest, juiciest steak bites ever. The best part? It's ridiculously fast and simple, perfect for a weeknight dinner or when you're craving something amazing without the hassle. Forget complicated recipes. This one's a game changer. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk ingredients. It couldn't be simpler. You'll need 1 pound of steak, cut into bite-sized 1-inch cubes. For the best flavor and tenderness, I recommend using sirloin or ribeye. Next, grab 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Quality butter makes a huge difference here. And finally, you'll need 4 cloves of fresh garlic, minced up nice and fine. That's literally it. Steak, butter, garlic. Plus a little salt and pepper to taste, of course. It's a classic combination for a reason. It's absolutely delicious and never fails. Alright, let's get cooking. Step 1 is crucial for getting that perfect sear. Take your steak cubes and pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This step is super important because moisture is the enemy of a good crust. Once they're dry, season them generously on all sides with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It builds a foundation of flavor. Now for step 2. Get a large skillet, preferably cast iron if you have one, and place it over high heat. Let it get really hot. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your butter to the pan. Let it melt and sizzle until it starts to foam a little bit. Melted butter with bubbles in the pan with no meat. That's your signal that the pan is ready for the steak. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Carefully place your seasoned steak bites into the hot skillet in a single layer. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan with the steak bites. You might need to cook in 2 batches if necessary. Let them sear without moving them for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. You want to develop a deep, golden brown crust. Then, flip the pieces over and sear for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. The goal is a crispy outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Here comes the final flavor burst. Step 4. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Add the remaining tablespoon of butter and all of your minced garlic to the skillet. Stir everything together continuously for about 1 minute. You just want to cook the garlic until it becomes fragrant and coats the steak bites in that incredible aroma. Be very careful here. You don't want the garlic to burn, or it will become bitter and ruin the dish. 1 minute is all it takes, and that's it. Step 5. Remove the skillet from the stove plate heat immediately. Your amazing garlic butter steak bites are ready to be devoured. You can serve them right away. They are incredible on their own, but they also pair beautifully with fluffy white rice, roasted asparagus, or even some creamy mashed potatoes to soak up all that garlicky butter sauce. Garnish with a little fresh parsley if you're feeling fancy. And here's a quick pro tip for you. As I mentioned, using sirloin or ribeye really guarantees that tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. These cuts have great marbling, which means more flavor and a juicier result. It's been tested time and time again, and it's a foolproof way to ensure steakhouse quality right in your own kitchen. Don't skimp on the quality of your steak for this recipe. It truly makes all the difference. So there you have it, restaurant-worthy garlic butter steak bites that take almost no time to prepare. It's the perfect recipe to have in your back pocket for a quick, impressive meal. I hope you give this a try. If you do, make sure to drop a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FactBite Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more quick recipes and fun facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.